Here's how to play the literacy version of Wordle. First, you want to make sure that you can see everything on one screen. I usually set this percentage to 75%. Here's how to play. You're trying to guess one word. It is a 5-letter word. You are going to type in one letter in each box right here. That's guess number 1. And then for guess number 2, you'll keep going and write another 5-letter word down here. You have 6 tries to guess the word. It depends on the version that you have. This version is Digraphs, and that's something special that's going to be in the word. A digraph is a combination of 2 letters that make a single sound, like ch or th or sh. Your mystery word will have one of these in it, and it just says it will contain one of these digraphs, which means it could be at the beginning or at the end. So what you want to do is you want to get a piece of paper and start brainstorming and think about a 5-letter word that has one of these digraphs in it. I am going to start with the word shape. To do that, I'm going to click on a box and type the S-H-A-P-E. 1 box per letter. You just click and type. It will change colors, but not until you click off of it. That's my first guess, all done. Let's look at the colors now. If a box turns gray, that letter is not in the word. My mystery word does not have an S, an A, a P, or an E. If a box turns yellow, the letter's in the word, but in the wrong place. We don't have any of those yet. If a box turns green, the letter is in the word and in the right place. That means whatever our mystery word is, it has an H as its second letter. Now I'm going to think of another word. I would recommend writing this alphabet down because then you can take a pencil and cross off the S, A, P, and E, and then you can look at the alphabet and see what's left over. I'm also going to look down at my digraphs here, looking for one with an H in it. I think this word could start with ch or gh or th, and I'm going to keep that in mind for my next guess. I'm also thinking about it can't have an A or an E, so maybe I'll try an O. So I'm going to try to think about a word that has THO at the beginning. Grab a piece of paper, you can brainstorm and be writing these down. I'm going to try the word thorn. T-H-O-R-N. Click off of it for the color to arrive. The T is green. That means that there is a T and it's in the right spot. The H we already knew is in the right spot. So our word does start with the digraph th. There's no O, there's no R. There is an N, but not here. The N needs to be either here or here. The TH will stay here. There's an N somewhere. And we're going to think of another word. So looking at the vowels, we've used the A, the E, and the O. So that means that this word, the vowel needs to be a U, maybe a Y, or an I. I'm going to use an I. So I'm going to do T-H-I. I'm going to move the N here. So thin, looking at my options, I'm going to try the word thing. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Great. So the T, H, I, and N are in the right spot, but there's no G. I have to find something else to put at the end. I'm going to try the word think. T-H-I-N-K. And they all turned green. That's how you know you won. I don't need to use these guesses anymore because I solved it on guess 4. Your goal is to find the word and you know you won when all of the letters turn green. So that's how you play the literacy Wordle. You just want to make sure that you read the instructions here because it will tell you whatever special element is in your word, and it'll tell you if it just says it contains it like this, that means it's just in it. But some of them say that it'll be at the beginning or at the end. So just make sure you know what the mystery element is and have fun guessing the mystery word.